Hello guys, I'm presenting you a demo of laundry scheduling app. Okay, I'll be giving you this demo by placing an order from the customer app. Okay, this is a customer's app, and then I'll show you that how the store manager app updates the order from the manager's app, right? And how the pickup guy or the delivery guy gonna do the deliveries from here from the driver's app. Okay. Now I'll place an order from the customer's app. In here I got two options. Either I can select the clothes or I can directly request a pickup, right? So if I click on request pickup, it would directly go to the checkout page and gonna ask me all the options. And if I go to select clothes, from here I'll be able to choose what services I need, right? Let's say if I need a mix wash tumble or something, then I can do it like that. I have the options to add as many categories from the admin panel. The laundry service and dry cleaning, we can update it. And we can also update the services under that, right? If I go to dry cleaning, I can see all these services, right? I can click on it. Now all these things are getting added, and if I click on it, then I'll be able to see what services I've added, and I'll be able to see the payment summary. Like 47.45 is the services cost, right? And then we are applying a taxes on top of it, and then CGST and SGST are the tax values. Then we can see the grand total values, and after that I can click on proceed to checkout, right? In here I can select the pickup address from the already selected addresses. These are added from the profile menu, or the addresses which we ordered previously. So I selected it, and then that option is there to select the pickup time, at what time the pickup needs to be scheduled. So in here we also got the slots, and you can choose from all of the slots. And then some instructions for the delivery boy if you want, but you can skip it. And then delivery address, if it can be the same or it can be different as well. And then in here we can see the total summary, the taxes, the total amount, the delivery cost, that includes the pickup and delivery cost for this, and then the total amount. Then I'm clicking on proceed to payment, right? And in here I can select the cash payment, card payments, or Paytm if you want to select. I'm selecting the cash payments as of now. Then in the discount panel, I can have the discount based on the promo code, or I can use some cashback points. From the last order I can earn some points and I can use it. Okay, if I click on promo code, I'll be able to see these codes, and I can click on it and apply. Then the discount is applied. That's 4.75. Okay, now I'm clicking on place order. Okay, now the moment I'm gonna place the order, it's gonna update the manager on this side, right? So I'm clicking on place order, right? And as soon as the order is placed, the manager, see here, the manager is notified that order is assigned, that there's a new order with order ID. This one, please accept it soon. So 1591, right? And the manager will be able to see it right there. And if the manager click on it, then he'll be able to see all the details, like the services they added, the customer details. They can call the customer, they can see the payment summary and all the information like the pickup address and the values. Okay, now the manager got two options. Either they can accept it, or if they got some issues, they can also reject this order, right? For now, for the demo, I'll be just accepting it, and then I click on accept order. The moment I do it, the customer is notified, hey couple is the customer's name, your order 1591 is accepted by the store Z Laundry and will be processed soon, thanks, right? And it's a way of notifying the customer, and customers can also see the order he just placed from by going to this orders panel and by clicking on this, right? And then in here, this manager can update the order as processing. Now what we got is the moment manager does it, we are assigning a pickup task request to the driver. The driver is right here. Okay, so I'm clicking on mark processing. Okay, the moment I do it, it's gonna update the customer as well that the order has been updated. Also, you see this task request has been sent to the driver. The driver can either accept it or decline it. If you decline it, then it goes to the next some other nearby driver. So I can't accept, right? And then the driver is able to see the customer details, the addresses to which they need to go, and also they can put some notes, images, or signatures, right? And they'll also be able to see the order details, like the things the customer added, all the items, right? And then also you see we notified the customer that driver started, and like the moment now the driver started this task, and when the driver reaches the customer's location, he can click on this mark arrive button, right? And the moment he does it, we're gonna update the customer that delivery boy arrived at your pickup address. Please try calling if you not reach in the next 5 minutes. I mean, we are notifying the customer that the guy is nearby to your location. Okay. Now, once the this driver gonna meet and they're gonna collect the order, then they can start a delivery task. Now they're delivering this task to the store, right? They click on it, and then we are notifying the customer that delivery boy has collected the order and is delivering to the store now. I mean, to the laundry store. Okay. Then once they reach the store, they can click on complete that task, and this is how you know the pickup task has been completed for this laundry order. Okay, they click on it, right, and then the this pickup task has been completed. Okay, now on the manager's side, you know, the managers got the option to, you know, now the laundry can process it, and you know they can update the status. Okay, I mean, when the order is ready and it is ready to be delivered by the store, they can update the status as marked ready. Okay, and then the moment we do it, we're gonna assign a delivery request to the driver. Okay, so I'm clicking on mark ready. Okay, now the customer is notified that the status is completed, and immediately this delivery task request is sent to the driver again. Okay, because this is a nearby driver we have. So I'm hitting on accept, and the moment we do it, okay, we are also notifying the customer that delivery is on the way. Delivery boy will be, you know, right. So now that this delivery boy is going to the store to collect the order. Okay, now he's saying mark arrived. It means he has arrived at the store. Okay, now we are notifying the customer delivery boy has arrived at the store to collect the order, right? And then once they collect it, they can start the delivery task. Now it means they are giving the processed clothes or, you know, the laundry order back to the customer. Okay, now we are notifying that delivery boy has collected the order from the store and will be delivering it very soon. Now the moment they reach the customer location, they can complete this task, right? And they'll be able to see the summary, you know, just added, and now the customer notified that, hey Kapil, your order is delivered successfully, thanks for the order. And then this customer can refresh it, and then the customer can also leave the feedback, you know, like they can put feedback, or they can put, you know, good job on laundry, right? So like that, this is how we are, you know, notifying the store like that. Okay, and yeah, I mean, this was the complete order flow, and the order 1591 is moved to the completed mode for the manager, right? And then we got a few more options, right, from the customer, right? Like the customer can go here, they can put the addresses, change password, they can see the wallet points, some help and FAQ section, you know, like there's some other things, right? And then if you want to put some other request, they can put. And yeah, that was all the complete order flow. And if you got questions or something, if you want to customize it, you can contact us, and given the contact numbers in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.